Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing some silver, and this silver I actually received from a local coin shop. Alright, all this right here, and another one I received is actually from a YouTuber by the name of El Poor. So I do want to say thank you, El Poor. You had a well-written letter that you wrote me. Well, you didn't write it, you typed it, and I really appreciate it. I read it all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You have no idea how much I really appreciate that. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life, and you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leave a thumbs up. And you can also find me on social media, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Alright guys, so I also want to mention you guys can get your very own copy of your own Urban Lifestyle t-shirt at ublifes.com. That's ublifes.com. Just drop this part. ublife with an S at the back.com. This color shirt is the shirt I'm wearing this month. You guys can find some good style shirts on there. Don't forget to check that out, alright? But let's get back to the unboxing. So this right here is what I pretty much got from the coin shop. I got about $1.80 worth in constitutional dimes. We have some barber dimes, I guess. Let me see here. Let's open that up. Voila. Oh, this one is very shiny right here. But it looks like it's toning up right there. Very nice. We have some Mercury dimes or barber dimes. I get confused sometimes. We have some regular Roosevelt dimes. One more Mercury, two more Mercury, and the rest are Roosevelt dimes. So we have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, $1.80 worth of dimes. Very beautiful. I'm always going to be buying constitutional silver. I know on my video 3 precious metals that I'm going to be buying for the month of November, I cut this out the list. That just means I'm not going heavily in these, but I'm always going to be buying some every time when I have some spare change or something. I'm just going to be buying them. All right, now I think I purchased this for I think $20. I believe, I want to say, I'm not too sure, but it's cool. I love them. Especially this one right here is just real shiny. Let me see how the back looks right there. Oh man, you guys can see the shininess of this one. Very beautiful. Like you can see the difference between this one and this one right there. Like, I love it. All right, so we get those out the way. Now, let's see, what did I purchase? This is about 10 ounces right here. 10 ounces for about, I think, $1 a piece on the premiums. All right. So I have me my buffalo right there. Very beautiful. Boom. Now I want to let you guys know I am going to be taking pictures of these. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys should be seeing these pictures up on there. Make sure you follow me, all right? I have this beauty right here. I think I got a lot of these. So let's just spread them out. So I got 2 buffaloes. And the rest, move these out the way. Now these look like Morgan dollars, but they're not. These are actually 1 ounce rounds. All right, very beautiful. I got 4 of them. I think I went through their box and they only had all these, so I took all of them out. On top of that, the 2 buffaloes right there. And then I got this peso, I think. Let me see. I know it's from Mexico. All right. When I saw it, it looked like the Libertad. But it wasn't. It looks like it's similar design, but it's not the Libertad. It is from Mexico though. It is 1 ounce. You can see it right there. It says uno onza. That's how you say ounce in Spanish. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to ask Clever Coin about that. So I got this and this beauty right here. So if you guys want to see details about these coins, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. All right. Got this right here. Now, the only reason I brought this ugly bar right here is because I'm trying something out. All right, I'm thinking about making my own coins in the future. And I have this with a blank surface so I can test it out. All right, I just want to test it out, see if I can engrave some stuff on here. Just checking out the merchandise that I'm about to purchase. All right, so that's why I got this. So all in total, about 10 ounce right there, yeah. And this right here adds up to 10. So it's very beautiful. Like I said, I want to get more generic rounds, and I have this here. And of course, I'm gonna be purchasing my coins. And what's the last thing I got from the coin shop? I only had like $10 left, and then they gave me this right here. It's a half dollar, 90%. None that I've ever seen before. So what the guy told me was, this is like, once they, there was one point in time where it was illegal to actually own silver and gold in the US. So after that law was forgiven or taken off, they actually made these with 90% silver on there. I got it for $10. Let me know if I overpaid for it, all right? It comes with this and a beautiful package that it comes in, all right? All right, so that's pretty much everything I got from the local coin shop. Now let's bring in Elpor's stuff that he sent me. And like I said, I'm very thankful for this. Like, honestly, like, I didn't expect this. I went to ship out some of my giveaway prizes, and I looked at my P.O. box and I was like, oh man, there's something in there. And I didn't expect it, honestly. So thank you so much, Elpor. I read the letter, well thought out letter. Like I said before, thank you so much. But now let's open this up. Let's see what I got. Man, he got some tough packaging or something. It's like these plastic are enlaced with steel. First one out, beautiful. Wow. A Kookaburra. I don't even think I have this, guys. Like, awesome. Like, this is so beautiful. My very first Kookaburra. I'm not sure if it's my first, but I don't remember purchasing this, so I'm pretty sure this is my very first. This is awesome. Now this is gonna go, everything before is pretty much like opportunity stack. If anything happens to the economy, I have this stack, but I'm also gonna have my gift down stack, like something where I can pass on to my kids. All right, I'm never gonna just sell all my silver all at once. All right. Wow. Oh my gosh. This right here is so beautiful, guys. Wow. Never seen anything like it. All I know that is from New Zealand. It's very beautiful. Like, the design on there is flawless. I think this is the best coin I have in my collection right now, as far as design wise. Wow. This is very beautiful. So if you guys want to see detailed looks of these coins, make sure you go on my Instagram. Make sure you guys go on my Instagram to check all those out. All right. So now let's open up the next one. There we go. Another coin from New Zealand. Very, very beautiful. Like, these are coins I've never seen before. Like, I didn't even know they were an option. I think I've seen this design before, I'm not too sure, but I know I don't have it. These are coins that I don't have in my stack. Very beautiful. And again, like I said, thank you so much, Elpor. Awesome. Appreciate, like, words can't like describe how I'm feeling right now. Like, honestly, if you told me 1 year ago, hey, I'm gonna have a YouTube channel where people's gonna, send me coins, I wouldn't believe it. I'd be like, yeah, right, come on. But the channel came a long way, and just to have you guys support, like, words is not enough. I don't know how else I can repay you guys. I want to give the best giveaways. I want to do as much as I can to give back to this community, because this is, I believe, on YouTube, this is the best community there is, hands down, period. Like, seriously, that's my hands being down. But awesome. Thank you so much, Elpor. I really appreciate it, honestly. So far, to recap this unboxing video or unpackaging video, I have these beautiful coins from Elpor. I have these Morgan dollar replicas right here. I have two, well, not just four, I have 5 Morgan dollar replicas. I have 2 buffaloes. I have this Libertad wannabe. And at the same time, I have this right here, all rounds except for these. These are beautiful. I'm gonna keep these forever. No lie, I might pass these down to my kids and tell them, hey, hold on to it. And I got this, and the only reason I got this is so I can test out the engraving machine that I have, because I'm thinking about doing my own stuff. And about $1.80 of constitutional silver. And that's pretty much all I have. Oh, my bad. I forgot. I also have this right here, 90% silver right there. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle. Thank you guys so much. Honestly, thank you for all the love and support. I've been doing this for almost a little bit over a year now, and this is hands down, like I said before, hands down the best community there is. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification icon, and have a wonderful day. That means thumbs up too.
That's why I work and grind.